Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. You see it's kind of good looking and I like it. So let's start. At first we need to insert a new slide. We format the background and set the color we want. We are going to go with the blue and apply it to all. Okay, after that we need these two shapes. So how we can create them? It's really easy, but let's at first take a look at this text. This is just a simple text that you select part by part and color it. For example, let's change the color here, black, and this is white. Now, okay, we need to do what? We need to create these two things, these two shapes. You see, these two shapes can created in two ways. The first way that I created in this slide that uses one rectangle and triangle, or you can use the ready shapes that we have. I'm going to create it by myself because this is the way I like it, not the right way maybe, but the way I like it. Create a rectangle and create a, by holding shift. It's important to hold the shift, and don't remember, if you don't have time to align it perfectly, make it bigger than the slide so it has no effect on your purpose. So make it union and then set the shape outline to none, and then create a copy of that, sorry, and then rotate it. You see, this way. Okay, now we need to change the color of them. This is going to be black and this is going to be white. Let's go here, shape format, white. Now we copy this text, paste it here. You see the effect is ready already. Now we copy that and here we bring it out. You can bring it completely out or make it a little in the slide. I'm going to put it a little in the slide. Then copy the text, paste it here and this here, and set the transition to morph. Now let's take a look. You see, it's pretty beautiful. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.